Perfect. You finally brought me some more of my peas. Good man, Dad. Good man. Now, don't tell Mom that you let me eat out of the bowl. She won't understand. These peas are delicious. I can't get enough of them. It's like green gold in my hands. In fact, it's like lots of green gold peas, and they're delicious. I'll eat them by the mouthful. Just be prepared to get me another bowl. This is almost gone. Delicious. Good. Now it's time to get the last pea out of the bowl. Yummy. Don't worry, I will clean my tray. These peas are wonderful, and I am saving some on my bib for later. Yes, delicious. Delicious, I say. Let me see that bowl. There better be more peas. Where'd they go? I guess I still have some on my tray. I won't be deceived, though. I will find more peas. Let me see that bowl again. Yes, I had to just double check that there were no more peas. I don't always believe you, Dad, because you lie. Let me check one more time. Nope, definitely no more peas. What have you done with my precious green gold? Let me check the bottom. This is some magic trick. There must be more peas in here somewhere. Last time you left and came back with more. Where did they go? Is there a false door? I still have a few left, but this is becoming a scarce commodity. Dad, do your job and find me more peas. Where are my peas? Check the bottom again. Where is the false door? I know it's here, Dad. You are trying to make these peas elusive, but I will find them. And when I do, I will eat them. Dad? Yes. See? Empty. That's what that means. That means fill me up. Oh, would you like some peas? Well, I may give them to you. It's all dependent on you. I will get you more peas. Okay. Want more peas, Mason? Mason, more? More? Do you want more? Yeah? Okay, I'll get you more peas.